I love a good quality mirror, and this arched mirror that was sent for my feedback is definitely one of the nicer ones. First of all, the frame is made of solid wood, which already makes it feel much more high-end and sturdy compared to a lot of lightweight mirrors out there. I also like the arched shape and layered frame detail. It just gives the mirror this softer, more custom look, and it adds a nice amount of texture to the space. And the brown wood tone works really well for a farmhouse, rustic, vintage, or even more modern decor styles. It comes with all the hardware included, and it went up on the wall without any hassle. I think this size works really well over a bathroom vanity, but honestly, you could also use it in an entryway, bedroom, or even above a dresser as a statement piece. Overall, this mirror feels very well made. It looks beautiful on the wall, and I think it gives a really elevated look.